So what's the big thing you originally came in with?
My lower back and then probably my right hip still.
Okay.
Yes.
Has it been noticing any improvement with it, or has it been doing better?
It's been improving. Yeah,
Okay.
it definitely has. Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's lay down. Let's see what we got. And just where were you? Just point again. Where are you hurting at then?
Right here.
Okay. Go back. Okay. Okay. Got you here. Just relax. Yeah, we got a good spot right here. Good. Right. Back. Okay. Relax, relax, relax. Ah, good. Oh, that'll do it there. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, that was it there.
Yes.
So is that doing all right?
Yes. No, I
Okay.
feel so much better.